Did you get paid 2 days ago and you already ran out of money? You have two options, which is to ask your wife or boyfriend to lend you money or download one of the next cash advance apps that are going to show you in this video. I'm going to suggest this cash advance app. It's not a loan. Instead, whatever you borrow, you will need to pay on your next paycheck. Look at the links in the description for bonus referrals. Number 1, Earning app. This Earning is by far the best and most popular cash advance app. It allows you to borrow up to $500, but it can only allow you $100 daily. Deposits can be made for free between 1-3 days or immediate if you choose to pay a 4.99 fee. Number 2, Albert app. Albert app provides budgeting, saving, and investing tools. A cash advance that requires no credit check, and it is free if you can wait 2 to 3 days. Or you can pay a small fee if you want to get the money within just minutes. You can get an extra $50 by signing up using the link in the description. Number 3, MoneyLion. MoneyLion is another one of my favorites. They also provide up to $250 in stock, cash advance, and the ability to invest in cryptocurrencies. MoneyLion provides additional loans, credit builders, managed investing, and awesome rewards for inviting your friends and family. This is a great all-included financial app to get your finances in good shape. Sign up using the link in description for a $55 bonus. Number 4, Dave. Dave is another super popular app, and not because of its super cute logo. Dave was one of the first apps that started the cash advance business, and it has kept focused on this feature. Dave allows you to borrow $250 instantly, and it also offers an optional debit card to earn cash back and have your paycheck up to 2 days early. Number 5, Clever, a trusty cash advance app that also offers excellent financial tips, rewards, and daily sweepstakes. It provides ways to earn additional money doing small side gigs. Number 6, Empower. Empower is another great cash advance app getting a lot of attention. It is also one with the cheapest commissions of cash withdrawal. It includes a monthly expense report and different financial tools to help you understand your expenses. Number 7, Bridget. The main goal of Bridget is to educate you about your finances. Number 8, Clio. Clio is one of the most innovative apps in terms of AI tools and credit building. It provides educational videos, credit reports, and different ways to earn extra cash with small gigs like watching videos. It provides a card where you can add some money, which is used to limit credit. You can use it for your regular purchases, and then once you pay it off, it boosts your credit. Number 9, Grid. Grid is new to the cash advance game, but it's getting some attention from social media. It only offers a cash advance of up to $50, which seems relatively small compared to others, but it offers the chance to unlock a credit line after setting up direct deposit. Number 10, Float Me. Float is new to the game as well. Because of that, it only allows a small cash advance of $50. It also offers a tool to monitor your expenses. Bonuses are different. This is not a cash advance, but it is a great life-saver app that will allow you to pay your unexpected big bills and easy payments. Say you have a medical emergency or an urgent home repair. The Ferret is here to help. Just upload a PDF of your bill. They will pay it and you will pay to ferret out easy monthly payments. There you have it. I just showed you 10 different apps to increase your monthly income to feel rich for a month. All I ask in advance is that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in return. And don't forget to use the referral links below to get extra cash.